everybody, I'm Nicola and I'm part of the bigger picture, and I'm here today to talk to you about using writing and journaling as part of a creative way to be able to get through certain times like what we've been going through right now, when we have so many different thoughts and feelings going on in a day. That just writing some of those down can really help, and actually to get creative as well, which is what I'm learning to do a little bit more of within my own journaling. So even starting with the writing, and then there's a bit of doodling in there as well, and different colours and different ways of just being able to explore. I also got given some things from a friend which I was able to also put in, kind of like collage and really putting things together, and thinking about when within your day that might be a good thing to do was something that was important to me. I very much felt that first thing in the morning was good for me, because how I started my day was how I would then live my day. And don't get me wrong, I didn't do it every day because we're not perfect, and I think having that pressure can be really, really difficult. Something that I would recommend is going gently with yourself, and just enjoying the process. I think something that's lovely about creativity is that we start at one place, which is what I did, which is that I wanted to write, and I wanted to write about what I noticed. But actually, as my journey unfolded, I became more open, and that creativity explored even more, which I think you'll see through the video, which I'm going to show you now. So enjoy, and I'll speak to you again in a minute. I think all you're going to need really to start with is just some paper and a pen, and that's it. If you've got your paper and your pen, you're ready to go. Pick a time of day that works for you. The beginning of the day before the day starts, or the end of the day to offload and unwind, or maybe somewhere in between. Where is somewhere comfy and cosy in your home that works for you? Have you got a favourite drink to have, or some music you like to listen to? This is your time, just for you, whether it's 5 minutes, 15, half an hour. It's whatever works for you. Start small and manageable to build up a regular practice. But if you miss some, don't worry, it's okay. We're all human. Be kind to yourself. Start with where you are at now. How are you feeling right now? Do you feel happy, sad, angry or concerned? Anything you want to celebrate? Or a worry you want to work through? If you stopped for a moment and breathed, what would that be like? Welcome to your journaling practice that will take you on an adventure with yourself. Wherever you go, it'll be just right for you. I hope this has encouraged you a little bit to get creative, and we'd love to see whatever you've created. That would be brilliant. And the video description below, there's some details to submit your own creations for inclusion in the bigger picture, because we'd love to see what you've created. And there are also more videos just like these that are on the Starfish Collaborative YouTube channel. So thank you so much for watching, and get creative and enjoy. Take care. Thanks. Bye bye.